Hello, beautiful people. Lovely people. Welcome back to my channel once again. Now we are going to look at further solving of equations with fractions. Further solving of equations with fractions, especially when the denominator is not just a number. When we have variables or even expressions in the denominator as it is indicated in the second expression. Now let's get to this. The first one says solve this equation 3x minus 2 over x up till here. So what we do first, the same approach applies. The same approach applies here. The first thing, we look for an LCD. The lowest common denominator is that number that all the denominators can divide, that number of variable. So first of all, we start with numbers. This is 1x, this is 2x, this is 1x. Among the numbers, what is the number all of them can divide? 1, 2, 2, all of them can divide 2 without a remainder. We now go to the variables x, x, and x, so all of them can divide x. So our LCD in this case is 2x. Now let's move forward. Now we start dividing each denominator. Remember the process, get your LCD, divide the LCD with each denominator, and then multiply your answer with your numerator and simplify. Now, this, we have 2x divided by x, we cancel our x, we have 2. Multiply with the numerator, we have 2 into 3x minus 2. I can deal with this directly, but you just have to be careful, put them in the bracket so that you don't mess up the signs. And then we have 2x divided by 2x, any number divided itself is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Let's go to the other side. X. 2x divided by x is 2. We multiply with the numerator. Remember, this bracket is compulsory. It helps you not to lose the signs. You know that you're multiplying with all the contents that comes after the bracket. Now we use our distributive property. This gives us 6x minus 4 plus 2. And this gives us 2x minus 4. The next thing is collect like terms. Now collecting like terms, you have 6x, and this coming over is minus 2x, negative 4, coming over becomes positive 4, going over becomes negative 2. 6x minus 2x is 4x. Negative 4 plus 4 gone, negative 2. We divide both sides with the coefficient of x, which is 4. So 2 over 4 will give us 1 over 2. So our answer is negative 1 over 2. However, conditions must apply. With this, you check what will make this expression to become valid. If we don't include that, then we are solving for nothing. So we check this, there is a condition, and the condition for this expression to be valid is that at no point must x be equals to 0. So that is also another value that must be written. The restriction must be placed for us to be able to solve this expression. So this solves the first expression. Let's go to the second one, which is a little bit more complex. Now, this is more like grade 10 stuff, and sometimes we also see this in the higher grades. What do we do here? We look at the denominator. It's a little bit complex. We cannot easily pick out our LCD. What do we do? Factorize the denominators and see if you are going to get like terms in the denominator. So if we factorize this, we have 5. 2 is a common factor here. We have 2 into x minus 4. For this part, we have a trinomial. What are two numbers that we add to give us this, multiply to give us this? Look at this. We have x minus 6 and x plus 4. If we factorize this, minus 6 minus 4 gives us minus 10. Minus 6 times minus 4 gives us positive 24. Look at, there will always be a clue. Look at this. Minus 6, minus 6. So even if you're not very good with factorization, you can use logic to figure out what you should do there. Now, what we do is we pick out our LCD. We don't repeat anything. What is it that all of them can divide? First of all, we start with the method. The number 2 is part of the LCD. We pick x minus 6. We don't repeat that. and then we pick x minus 4. This is our LCD. Now we start dividing this into this. X minus 6 will only cancel out x minus 6. We still have 2 and x minus 4. So we present this. We have 2 times 3 is 6 into x. Remember, this is our LCD section. Into x minus 4. That's what we got from here. Then this dividing our LCD being divided by this, 2x minus 4, we cancel out 2x minus 4, we have x minus 6 left. So we have negative 5 into x minus 6 equals to the last part. That's being divided, x minus 6, x minus 4 will be cancelled out. We have 2 into x minus 24. Now let's simplify and collect items. From this will give us 6x. So we have 6x minus 24 minus 5x minus 5 times minus 6 is plus 30 equals to 2x minus 48. If we collect items, we have 6x minus 5x is x. Minus 2x is x minus 2x is minus x. Let's go on this. Minus 24 plus 30 is 6. If we take 6 over, it becomes minus. So we have minus 48 minus 6 is minus 54. So the value of x in this case is 54. So you see 2 different variations. You can solve this direct, you can solve this, but you need to factorize. If it is very complex, there will always be room for factorization. Now let's work on the restrictions. For this expression to be valid, we don't want, remember, anything divided by 0 is undivided. So we have to place our restrictions as well. So the first restriction is that x cannot be equals to 6. Let's look at the second restriction. X cannot be equals to 4. And the last restriction, that does it. X cannot be 6. X cannot be equals to 4. So please remember, after solving, the restrictions are very important because they also come from x and they ensure that the expression we are solving for is valid. So these are 2 different variations of how we can solve equations with fractions when we have variables involved in the denominator, either a single variable or as an expression. If you have any further question or if you have specific question that you want us to go through with you, please don't forget to forward that question to us. Keep on sharing our videos. I will see you in the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day.